Hi, good day everyone. I'm here today to do a presentation on how conducting a sensitivity analysis as a tool for capital budgeting. My name is Martin Joseph, student of American Military University, and this is a course in fundamentals of business analysis. Um, so we'll proceed by saying what is sensitivity analysis? Sensitivity analysis determines how different values of an independent variable affect a particular dependent variable under a given set of assumptions. And then also, sensitivity analysis can be used to make prediction about the share prices of publicly traded companies or how interest rates affect bond prices. Furthermore, we say sensitivity analysis is this model is also referred to as what if or simulation analysis. Um, and also, it should be noted that sensitivity analysis allow for forecasting using historical true data. Next slide. Then going further, you have the steps in conducting sensitivity analysis. And the first step in conducting sensitivity analysis is to define the base case of the model, and after that you proceed to calculate the output variable for a new input variable, leaving all other assumptions unchanged. And then the third step is to calculate the sensitivity by dividing the percentage change in the output variable over the percentage change in the input variable. Next slide. Yeah, and then we move to the capital budgeting. Capital in a business sense refers to money, and then budget on its own is just basically a plan. And then when you say capital budgeting in one word, that refers to the process by which a business determines whether to take on a certain project. And then the analysis involves estimating the amount of money the business has to invest and the amount of revenue the project will generate. Uh, the sensitivity analysis it basically provides additional insights for the business to make an investment decision. Next slide. And then we have the quantitative and qualitative steps in conducting sensitivity analysis. And the first step in the quantitative the first step is to select the variable to study, and then the next step you move on to pick the right metrics that you want to do. This goes step by step, and the number three step is set up a baseline, and the fourth one is determine maximum and minimum values. The fifth step is log data and then visualize. That is for the quantitative step. And the next one we move to the qualitative steps. The first step is by changing input and key assumptions, test the sensitivity of the cost element. And then the second step is by changing the investment period and time, we must identify effects on the overall estimate. And then the third one is all the assumptions which are key cost, deliver, and cost elements are affected should be identified and taken into consideration. And then the next slide, we're talking about project risk. Project risk is an uncertain event that may or may not occur during a project. And contrary to our everyday idea of what risk means, a project risk could have either a positive or a negative effect on progress towards project objectives. And then just so in the question, how can a project risk be incorporated into a capital budgeting analysis? This is basically we discount future cash flow by a percentage to represent the risk of the investment. This is in addition to the percentage we discount for our preference or cash now rather than later. And then that is all. I thank you for going with me on this slide and this presentation. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.